Chapter 8, Moving Way Beyond Recycling. Recycling has been around for a long time. Depending on how you define recycling, maybe forever. Nature is an expert recycler. There's no such thing as waste in a natural system. If nature was not so good at recycling, we'd be standing atop a mountain of dead trees, dead bodies, and a slime mountain made of expired bacteria that just never got taken care of. For most of living history, humanity's waste footprint on the earth was basically non-existent. Then we learned how to do things with oil, like creating plastic and styrofoam and a whole bunch of other convenient and modern things that, coincidentally, take a really, really long time to break down. The mountains of garbage that we have been piling up over the last 100 years are turning into environmental disasters beyond something we can ever repair. Recycling was our first attempt to mitigate this problem. This system has evolved over the years and has reduced our garbage problems. But wait! At the same time, we have increased the amount of garbage that the average adult produces. And a lot of our recycling paths are breaking down just because they are overloaded. Some of it just gets put into landfills anyway. So, we are recycling now, but the problems are even worse. Attack of the pizza box. Somebody asked on the internet, what should I do with pizza boxes? Because there is food on the cardboard, we are not allowed to recycle it. The answer with the most likes frustrated me. I felt they were taking one problem and converting it into a different problem, using the cardboard as mulch in a garden. The problem with this is that the paper in the cardboard is loaded with toxic gick. But clearly, most people are not aware of this. The next most popular answer was a 100% solution: stop having pizza delivered. But on the downside, I very much wish for people to live a far more luxuriant life while making the world a better place, not sacrificing the small things that bring joy. I think that rather than the short answer of don't, let's instead consider a life so luxuriant that we don't even want pizza delivered anymore. For example, if there happens to be a person in our house who regularly makes amazing pizza from scratch, then I suspect the desire for delivered pizza becomes moot. Since most people reading something like this on the internet will not accept an answer that doesn't fit into a bumper sticker, we move on to what I think was the best bumper sticker answer: use the cardboard as a fire starter. This was sadly the least liked answer. I wish it had many more likes and also said, for a rocket mass heater, which would also eliminate any smoky pollution that would result from burning the cardboard somewhere else. We'll talk more about rocket mass heaters and their incredible efficiency in Chapter 13. Recycling 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, and 5.0. Most recycling systems are composed of 3 bins: a black bin for garbage, a blue bin for recyclables, and a green bin for compostables. Let's start by saying that a person in Eco-Level 0 puts absolutely everything in the black bin if they are allowed to. For example's sake, let's say they put in 100 units of waste. Think of this as a game. We want to have the lowest score in town. A unit of waste in the blue or green bins counts as 1 point. A unit of waste in the black bin counts as 4 points. So the maximum possible score is 400 points. The folks at Eco-Level 1 will be trying some recycling. They might reduce the amount of waste going into the black bin by half, and they will redirect the waste into the blue and green bins. Let's say 50 units in the black bin, 30 units in the blue bin, and 20 units in the green bin. 250 points. A person at Eco-Level 2 will take it up a notch. Reduce, reuse, repair, recycle is a list of things they do in order. They begin repairing old clothing and tools. They buy some things at the thrift store. They hold a yard sale and attend numerous others. They make conscious buying decisions to have more durable products and lower package waste. They realize that homemade meals are far more enjoyable than highly processed packaged meals from the store. They significantly reduce the number of plastic beverage bottles in their house. Paper or cardboard is used as a fire starter in the wintertime, saving a bunch of work chopping kindling. 25 units go in the black bin, 15 units in the blue bin, and 10 units in the green bin. 125 points. At Eco-Level 3, a person is starting to grow their own food, reducing the amount of food packaging in their house further. They have implemented reuse and repair such that they don't buy nearly as much stuff anymore. They have eliminated plastic water bottles by 95% or more. They have set up a free shed in their neighborhood where one person's junk can become another person's treasure. They have reduced the amount of cheap electronics they buy, opting instead for devices that will last longer. They have also realized that the compost they have been getting from the town's composting service is filled with toxins, and so decide to make their own compost instead of using the green bin. Now they have 12 units in the black bin and 12 units in the blue bin, 60 points. At Eco Level 4, a person is growing 50% of their own food, really cutting down on food packaging. This person may live in community with a bunch of other people, reducing the amount of things being purchased by a significant factor. They are exploring doing their own glass recycling using a Fresnel lens or in the core of a rocket mass heater. They might even recycle their neighbor's glass for them since they can make money from it. They are now putting 6 units in the black bin and 6 units in the blue bin. 30 points. Growing 90% of their own food, people at Eco Level 5 have nearly eliminated food packaging. They have eliminated most of the household products that aren't really needed. Most of their furniture and tools are handcrafted out of natural materials. They occasionally treat themselves to a bag of chips or a tub of ice cream, but otherwise they are content to live the permaculture dream. They now put 3 units in the black bin and 3 units in the blue bin. They get their bins picked up once a year, 15 points. By the time someone reaches Eco Level 5, they will have reduced their total waste by 94%, drastically reducing pollution in the landscape. Beyond Level 5, things get even better.